Hello kids, in this new video we're going to review a very difficult content of the unit that is related to simple present and present progressive. Okay, so before work with the PPT presentation, I am going to show you pictures related to this content. So we are going to start here with the difference between a present continuous tense and a present simple tense. So as you can see on your left side here we have present continuous. What we're going to focus on this grammatical tense is very important that you pay attention here in the yellow box, that you have to pay attention to the words now, right now, at the moment, and today. These four words are very important in each sentence. So in present continuous tense, we're always going to focus on an action that is happening right now, at the moment. Is an action that is in progress. So for that, here we have some example. We are sleeping, I am dancing, she is watching TV, he isn't crying, they are learning, and I am not eating. In that part, in the left side of your screen, you have present continuous tense. But in the other side, you have a present simple tense. And a present simple tense is always related to routines, habits. And for that reason, we are going to use some expressions that are going to be helpful for you to understand a little bit more this grammatical tense. So we have always, every day, on Thursdays, sometimes, usually, at weekends, every week, normally. And in the right side, you have some example with the present simple tense. So I play tennis. You work in an office. He dances. They go swimming. I don't eat spinach. You don't learn. She doesn't watch TV and they don't sing. Okay, so try to remember that present continuous is an action that is happening now, at the moment. Is something that is happened. Is happening right now. And in present simple is an action that is a routine and is a habit. Is something that, I don't know, for example, if you study Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't know, and Saturday, that is a routine. If you practice basketball on Wednesday and Friday, that is a routine too. So before continue, we're going to focus here, and this is the part that is a structure. How we can create a sentence with these two grammatical tense. So in this part we have present simple and we have the subjects. I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. Remember that the third person singular, in this case he, she, and it, is very special because we are going to use the use of s and es. So in a positive sentence, you are going to use the subject, the action, the verb, and then you can use in in third person, you can use subject and the use of s and es. And the negative part, you're going to use the word don't for these subjects and doesn't for he, she, and it. And for questions, you are going to use the word do plus a subject that is here and then the action, okay? And when you have she, he, or it, you're going to use does, then you're going to use he, she, and it, and then the action, okay? Then we're going to work with some examples. And then here we have present continuous, and the present continuous tense is very simple if we want to compare with the present simple. Okay, so we're going to use the verb to be, and you're going to use am, is, and are, plus a verb that ends in ing. Okay, and for the negation, we're going to use the same as here, am, is, are, plus not, plus a verb in ing. And in the question, we're going to use am, is, are. In this case, we're going to use here a subject. Could be I, we, you, they, he, she, or it, and plus a verb with ing. Okay? And always very important when you have question, don't forget to use the question mark. It's very important. So here we have an examples related to present simple and present continuous tense. So we have general truth, present habits, timetable events, permanent states. As you can see here, we have it readily rains in the desert. For present habits, Marsha goes to dance club every Thursday. Timetable event, the plane to London takes off at 6:30 a.m. And permanent states, he works at a hotel. And in present continuous, actions happening now. She is reading a newspaper upstairs. Annoying habits. She is always singing in the shower. Future arrangement. She is getting married on 3rd November. And temporary state. She is working at the hotel until next week. So now we're going to go with the presentation. So here we have a photograph, and these are related to your book. The question is, what's Zach doing? And the answer is, he's talking to his girlfriend. So I am going to put here. So we have simple present and present progressive. So in simple present, we are going to focus on this kind of action that is often, okay? And in present progressive, action that are happening now at the moment, okay? So we're going to complete the rules here. So it says we use the to talk about actions that are in progress now, that are happening now. What could be simple present or present progressive? As you can see here we have a keyword. So present progressive, we're going to use present progressive to talk about actions that are in progress. And we are going to use simple present to talk about habits or routines, as I said before. Then we have a warning, okay? Watch out. The present progressive spelling of the verb travel is irregular. We are going to watch the example. We are going to see, sorry, the example says, we are traveling to Paris. And not for no reason, we are traveling to Paris. Pay attention that you have here double L. For that reason is incorrect. Okay. So here we have an example, and listen to the grammar examples and repeat. I go to the gym every day. We are playing soccer now. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do some exercise. Do you understand a little bit more this review of simple present versus present progressive? So we have complete the sentences with the simple present or present progressive form of the verb in parentheses. We're going to focus the actions that you have here in brackets. So this is the person, my grandparents once a year. And here you use visit. Why you use visit? Because you have once a year, okay? It's not an action that is happening now at the moment. Then we have the boys. The boys, the drums now, keyword now. What we're going to use? Present progressive. So the boys is plural. So you're going to use are. The boys are playing the drums. Next one. Katie, her homework in the afternoon. Do. In the afternoon is not an action that is happening now. Pay attention to that. So is present simple or simple present. Katie does her homework. Why you use es? Because you have this word that ends in o. Okay, remember that when you have words that ends in o, you have to add es. Harry and Emma, at the moment, very important, at the moment, now, right now, are dancing to a hip hop song at the moment. The next one, number 4, we for the concert now. Another key word, now. We are practicing. The girls singing lesson twice a week. Pay attention here, twice a week. And we have the word have. Then you have Terry for a run every morning, and you have go. You have Terry is a he. Terry goes. Remember, she, he, and it, you always change the action. Mom, dinner at the moment. Again, at the moment. Mom is cooking. Okay. Next exercise. Write questions and short answers with a simple present or present progressive. Anna play a trumpet in the picture. So I make the question, is Anna playing a trumpet in the picture? I pay attention to the picture that is here. You have drums? No. So the answer is no, she isn't. Okay, we go to number 1. Anna teach Peter once a week. So once a week, remember that is a present simple tense. So does Anna teach Peter once a week? We're going to focus on the answer here. You have a ticket. So remember that the ticket is a positive answer. Yes, she does. Why is she? Because we have Anna. Number 2, Anna like hip hop music. The question will be, does Anna like hip hop music? And we have here a cross. Okay, negative. So no, she doesn't. Okay. Remember that she is instead of Anna. Okay. And number 3, Anna wear jeans in the picture. Is Anna wearing jeans in the picture? I pay attention to the photograph and here I have a ticket, so it's a positive answer. Yes, she is. Okay, kids, that's all for this video. Remember that is a review of a very difficult content, and now you can ask all the questions that you want, and I am going to answer. Okay.